Hi, welcome back to Shane's Machine Shop. This is my twin-cylinder marine engine from a previous video. I'm going to mount a Flyball governor that I got. It's a cute little thing. It comes with a 1/4" 40. It's like a hydraulic type fitting. Straight thread. I want to convert it to a 1/4" 40 MTP, which stands for model taper pipe. So I've got a die with the holder I use in my lathe. I just need to convert this from a 1/4" straight to a 1/4" tapered. Got some fittings for it. Oops. I got a grooved pulley for it. I drilled and reamed it to fit the crankshaft. The fittings here I purchased from PM Research. They'll come either pre-machined, or you can buy a casting tree and then cut off what fitting you want and machine it yourself. The nipples, the pipe nipples, I machined myself, and then the couplings I made here. To give you an idea what the difference in this 1/4" MTP is versus standard. This is an 1/8" standard pipe nipple. So you can see there's quite a bit of difference in size. There's also a 3/16 MTP thread. Anyway, I'll get this mounted up and see how this thing works. I want to try to control the RPM of the engine with higher pressures coming in. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks. Hi, welcome back. This is my twin-cylinder marine engine with a Flyball governor. Just got through mounting the governor and then running all the piping. Didn't turn out too bad. This is the drive spring. I'll run it without the governor attached, and then run it with the governor attached. Compare the RPMs. .75 PSI. 1,282 RPM. Hear the difference in the RPM? Same PSI. 1,125. These are full sounding engines. enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.